It features marinated chicken that is grilled or roasted and served with a tangy onion and lemon sauce. 6. Grilled fish. Benin is located along the coast of West Africa, so seafood is an important part of the cuisine. Grilled fish is a popular way to prepare fish in Benin, and is often served with a side of plantains or yams. 7. Dietary soup. This is a hearty soup made from black-eyed peas, onions, tomatoes, and spices. It is often served with fufu, a starchy side dish made from cassava, yams, or plantains. 8. Pâté. This is a staple food in Benin, made from ground cornmeal that is cooked into a thick, porridge-like consistency. Pâté is often served with a sauce or stew made from vegetables and meat. Where is Benin cuisine cooked? Benin cuisine is cooked throughout the country, both in homes and in restaurants. Many traditional dishes are prepared using techniques that have been passed down through generations, often using locally sourced ingredients. Street food is also popular in Benin, with vendors selling a variety of snacks and small dishes from roadside stands and markets. In addition to being cooked in Benin, Beninese cuisine is also served in restaurants around the world, particularly in areas with large West African immigrant populations. Some restaurants even specialize in West African cuisine, serving a variety of dishes from across the region, including Benin. Overall, Benin cuisine is an important part of the country's culture and history, and continues to be enjoyed by locals and visitors alike. With its unique blend of African, European, and indigenous influences, Beninese cuisine offers a delicious and diverse culinary experience. Benin cuisine has been slowly making its way into the international culinary scene, and with it comes a growing number of food enthusiasts who are enamored with its flavors and ingredients. People who love Benin cuisine are typically adventurous eaters who are always on the lookout for new and exciting food experiences. They enjoy exploring different cultures through food, and are not afraid to try dishes that may seem unfamiliar or unusual. One of the hallmarks of Benin cuisine is its use of bold and spicy flavors. Fans of Benin cuisine appreciate the complexity of the spices used in many dishes, which often include a mix of hot peppers, ginger, garlic, and other aromatic herbs and spices. They also appreciate the way in which these spices are used to enhance the natural flavors of the ingredients, rather than overpowering them. Another aspect of Benin cuisine that draws in food enthusiasts is its emphasis on fresh, seasonal, and locally sourced ingredients. Fans of Benin cuisine appreciate the complexity of the spices used in many dishes, which often include a mix of hot peppers, ginger, garlic, and other aromatic herbs and spices. Many of the dishes are made with vegetables, fruits, and grains that are grown in the region, and the use of locally raised meats and fish is also common. Many of the dishes are made with vegetables, fruits, and grains that are grown in the region, and the use of locally raised meats and fish is also common. Fans of Benin cuisine appreciate the way in which these ingredients are used to create dishes that are both healthy and delicious.